Oh, you crazy?
Okay guys, so I just ate breakfast, we ate waffles, and I did the dishes. I just want to show you guys the tree really quickly. Let me just turn it on. We have one of these like press start ones. Instead of just going and doing that, we just click on that and the tree lights up. I just want to show you all. The whole tree. It's all decorated. And my little Betty Boop. It's so cute. And I have a little Captain America right here. Oh, and I just got this yesterday. This is the Dutch Brothers ornament for this year. It has 2019 on the bottom. It's their little coffee cup. That is so cute. And I actually wanted to go for Black Friday to get it the next town over. But yeah, they were not doing it until midnight on literal Black Friday. But yeah, here's an overview of the whole tree. We're going to be wrapping presents today. I also want to go and see Mr. Rogers' like neighborhood. We're watching The Grinch. I'm in the middle of watching The Grinch. It's almost done. It's really cute. And here are the stockings. But yeah, I'm trying to find a showtime. I think, Mom, there's a showing at 12:50 if you want to go to that one.
That's fine.
Okay. So we're gonna go see A Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood. I really want to go see that one because I love Mr. Rogers. I think it's gonna be so cute. So I'm gonna reserve the. I did. So I'm gonna reserve the tickets right now from the app. But yeah, I'm just in the process of getting ready. I need to put on my makeup and I need to basically put on shoes, and we're all done. I plan on coming back home and wrapping presents. But yeah, it's gonna be a pretty chill day. I do not have work. It is my day off, so I'm really excited about that. And I unwrapped my finger. The swelling has gone down significantly. It's still like kind of sore to move it, but I feel like the more I move it, the better off it'll be. So we'll just see, you know. But yeah, things are going up pretty well today, so I'm just gonna catch up with you after I put on my face. And I might as well give you guys a little bit of context. My box that I ordered from Dutch Brothers, this one right here, came in the mail yesterday. And that's what contained the ornament, and it also had a cup in it. I'm gonna show you the cup really quickly. It's like one of my favorite colors, like my all-time favorite color, just to like decorate with. And it says Dutch Bros on it. It's so cute. It's like this geometric vintage retro kind of font style mug, and it's really cute. I really like it. And I also got a shirt. But yeah, I will catch up with you guys in a few. Okay guys, so I just finished my makeup. I did not put on any lashes, just put on some eyeliner and mascara, that's it. Because we are going to be going to the mall right before we go to see the movie. It is 12:18, and yeah, let's just go. Okay, so I'm just waiting on my mom. She is coming. She's currently locking the house. Here she comes. But where on earth is my phone? Yeah, so I need to go and exchange this Amazonian clay foundation from Tarte because I got the wrong shade. I got medium honey. When I am medium neutral. So I have to go and exchange that. And after, we're gonna go see Beautiful Day in the Neighborhood.
Never felt magic crazy. I never saw wounds moving in my sea.
chicken sandwiches out.
Hey guys, so we are back. We got Popeyes.
Chicken sandwiches.
We got the chicken sandwiches, like she said. They have never tried the chicken sandwiches, so I'm really excited for them to try these bad boys right here. I am so excited for them to try them. Now, my dad had heard about them, but he had never, like, he didn't even hear about them really. Like, on the news, he didn't hear about it. He, like, had to hear from us about a Popeyes chicken sandwich. And my favorite sauce, here, let me show you. My favorite sauce from Popeyes has got to be the Bayou Buffalo sauce. I really like it. It's so good. Plus the Blackened Ranch, but they didn't have Blackened Ranch. They actually ran out. So we just got the regular Buttermilk Ranch. But yeah, along with the sandwiches, we are actually going to be making sweet potato fries and broccoli. So stay tuned for later. Okay, and this is also what Mom got me from Icings. I think it's really cute. It has little wires in it so I can stick it up. I don't know why you would want to stick it up, to be cute-ish. But yeah, I think it's really nice. We went through, like, we tried on, like, what, how many? 2, 3 other ones?
Yeah.
I think they look cute. But yeah, it's just like a little headband. And it messed up my hair just now. It did. It messed up my hair just now. Don't laugh at me.
So?
Look how pretty the French fries are going to be. Did you think I was going to say you're pretty? You're pretty too, but like the food. The food.
It was very good. We liked it.
I cried like 2 times. Well, I didn't cry. I teared up 2 times.
His dad. Because his dad walked out on his mom and his sister when his mom got sick.
Oh no! One fell through the crevices. Yeah. There it is.
You did say yes?
Oh my goodness.
Okay.
You gotta throw this non-survivor away. Oh, wash it? Alright.
Yeah, it's so good.
Ooh.
Did you like the
Ooh. She's turning on the tree. Are you turning on the tree yet?
Turn the lights on outside.
I don't know. Ooh. No, it's not. You're comparing it to Chick-fil-A.
Oh, no, they're not
It's
Chick-fil-A.
Popeyes.
Lisa says she likes them better than.
I personally like it better than Chick-fil-A. I think it's like a controversial opinion. You guys, I just had her smell it. Ooh, it smells so good. It smells so good. Look at that. Look.
They have 3 by 3.
It smells so good.
We just found a bra, but they didn't have her size. So she's gonna
Oh yeah. Yeah, we went to Victoria's Secrets. I found a bra that I actually liked. Never bought a Victoria's Secrets bra in my life. They didn't have it in my size, so I'm gonna have to get it online. I had to literally take a picture of the style because I would forget, let's be honest. Like, with me, I would totally forget. So yeah, I'm going to have to be looking online for the bra size and style. Before he comes home, I'm gonna be taking one bite because look how good that looks. Like, there's a pickle right there.
Oh my gosh.
That's good.
And then we went to
What?
Spray.
And then they have amazing pickles. I love pickles.
I do that every morning.
If you're not a pickle person, what's wrong with you?
I'm
just saying. One more bite.
Where you got that
Just one more bite.
See if you could find one for a high-end kind.
Oh, so good. Okay, so I just tried on these really cute, they're not black, they're like dark purple, like a plum color. These really cute leggings. They're so cute! Like, oh my gosh. I don't think the camera's picking up on this, but there's like a seam right here. And she made the aioli. Thoughts, first impressions, opinions? Come on, tell me.
Mine's a little dry.
Oh my goodness. Take a bite with the pickle. Like right there.
Right. The olive's good.
Sandwich! Come on
Wait.
now.
Chick-fil-A, I like Chick-fil-A sauce better.
Oh, jeez.
The spicy is kind of spicy.
I know, I like it.